Okay, first you need a piece of red paper. Okay, then you fold it into half. Then you're gonna, after you fold half, you're gonna measure about 1 inch. Okay. About 1 inch in the inch. Then you're gonna measure half inch everyone. Half inch out. Okay. After half inch, then you cut into straight. Okay, one straight. Okay. That's gonna be like this. Then you're gonna, it's supposed to be like this. Okay. But before that, you're gonna do this. This is a Christmas tree. They come with a metal, so you can just. This paper will stabilize because it has a metal to stabilize the paper. That is the first step. After the first step, you cut out this, and this is going to look like this. Then you need a piece of paper, so you can get it. I use a wrapping paper. It's shiny. You can use any shiny wrapping paper. Okay, these are the wrapping paper that you can get it during the holidays. They have a lot of wrapping paper. Then you've got it's basically the same size, 11.5. These are 6. Then you're gonna put this inside here. Then you're gonna glue this part inside there. Alright, so there's another next step. Glue this. We're gonna use a glue gun to glue this part. Since this is a metal, you don't need to glue all of it, they will attach to it. Okay. This one glue. Now we're gonna do the handle for this. For the handle, okay. So I'm gonna show you how to do the handle in this. Okay. So you need a pipe cleaner. This. So you need this called Mardi Gras throw bits. It's very cheap if you get it online. So what you need is you just get a pipe cleaner. You just go left out about 2 inches, so you can tie it in the side. So so you're gonna do twisted. Just use this. You can just go around, twist that, and then go to the other one. Okay, or you can just, the easy way, you can just put this one straight. You just go the pipe, go. You don't move the thing, you just use the pipe to move it. Let's go with the pipe. Move with the pipe. Okay, so you're gonna go this, then you adjust it, so it's gonna look like this. Okay. So you left out a little bit, then you're gonna go to the side, inside out. So you can have this one. So you can just push this a little bit top. And then you're gonna attach the other side. Just across to just across to that one. Half of that. Then you just go inside. So let this bit come out. So this will be the handle. This, after you fix it, just put this one in the corner, tie it down, and the other one. So this will be the handle. Okay, so we're gonna move to the next step. The next step, you want to put something to hang under it. So what you need, you can use, if you have a thin metal like this, like string, thin one, easy to bend. If you don't have it, you can use a regular string, with a regular string. You can just take in the side and then make a line across to it. If you have a metal, you don't have to do anything, just go around, go inside. Okay, go inside and then you just go inside the hole. Make sure it's open. Then you can just twist it. So want to hang, right? So you can put under inside here. Okay. So just tie it under it. Okay. So you can see this. So you can use different kind of color. Now the last step, you have to put this one, put this paper, the one before we have, just roll it, put it inside. Then you can open it the same size, like the size of the hole in here. Same size. Then we're gonna glue the top, glue inside the part with the glue gun. Okay, so it will stick in there. So we're gonna do that. Okay, so we're gonna glue the paper inside. So after you adjust it, okay, push this down, and then you're gonna glue the inside part of the paper. So we're gonna attach to it. So we need to glue both sides. So this side is done. So we're going to glue the other side. The same way. Like this. Okay, the final one, if you want to hang a tassel, you can just use a regular string and tie it into the metal, you know. So you see, so this is the final product with the tassel. You can always hang it. Tassel, okay, so you can use different kind of tassel, different color. So this is the final product. Alright, that's for today. I'll see you next time again. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye now.